Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up one of the most advanced SEO plugins. Yes, I'm talking about Rank Math. Right now, Rank Math has introduced a lot of new AI features. If you're not using it yet, you're honestly falling behind. With Content AI, it can help you write your blogs, generate meta titles, keywords, and even optimize your entire SEO automatically. Also, Rank Math has introduced a new AI feature called Link Genius, which helps you automatically improve your website's internal linking using AI. First of all, open your WordPress dashboard. Now go to the Plugins section and click on Add New Plugin. Here, search for Rank Math. You can see Rank Math here. Go ahead and install it. Now click on Activate, and that's it. The plugin is successfully installed. Now, when you open the Rank Math dashboard, you'll see a lot of features here. Many of them are free, and you can use these features to improve your website's SEO. But before using them, we need to set up the plugin. So click on the Setup wizard. Now here, the first step is to choose the setup mode. You'll see multiple modes, but we'll go with Advanced mode. So select Advanced mode and click on Start Wizard.
Now here, you need to fill in your website's basic details, such as what type of website it is, your business type, your website name, and whether your website has any alternate name. After that, if you haven't uploaded your logo yet, upload it here. You can also add a default image for social media sharing. Once you've completed everything, click on Save and Continue. The second option is Connect Google Services. Using this, we can connect both Google Search Console and Google Analytics. We won't set this up right now because we'll learn how to connect them directly from the dashboard later. For now, let's move to the next step. Now the next step is Sitemap. With the help of this option, you can configure your website sitemap settings. First, if this option is not enabled, turn it on. After enabling it, the first setting will ask whether you want to include images in the sitemap or not. You should turn this option on because we want our images to be included. The second option asks which public post types you want to include in the sitemap. Here, we will keep both posts and pages selected. After that, the last option asks whether you want to include categories in the sitemap, and we will enable that as well. Once you've completed all these settings, click on Save and Continue. After this, a section called SEO Tweaks will open, which contains some basic settings. The first option is to automatically set empty categories to no index. Keep this enabled. The second option is to automatically set external links to no follow by default. You can keep this on or off according to your preference. The third option is to open links in a new tab whenever someone clicks on a URL. Turn this option on as well. These are some basic settings. After enabling them, click on Save and Continue. Now we'll explore the advanced options of Rank Math. The first option is Role Manager. If multiple people are working on your website, you can use this feature to manage their access and permissions. For now, we'll keep this option turned off and move to the next step. Here, we get a powerful feature called 404 Monitor. With the help of this feature, you can monitor all the 404 errors occurring on your website, so make sure to enable it. Below that, you'll find the Redirections feature. If there are any broken pages on your website and you want to redirect them to another page, enable this feature. It provides multiple options that help you create different types of redirects easily. After enabling both of these options, click on Save and Continue. Now we've reached the Schema option. With the help of this feature, we can set up schema for our posts and pages. This option is usually enabled by default, but if it's turned off, make sure to enable it. Here, you can keep the default settings provided by Rank Math, such as which schema type should be used for posts and which schema type should be used for pages. We'll leave everything on the default settings and click on Save and Continue. As soon as you click on it, the basic setup of the plugin will be completed and the dashboard will open. In the dashboard, you'll see several other features of Rank Math. It includes many powerful tools and functionalities. One of its most useful features is Content AI, which you can explore from here. With the help of this AI feature, you can generate blog outlines, perform keyword research, create meta titles and descriptions, write complete blog posts, and handle many other tasks. It's a very powerful AI feature provided by Rank Math. Instead of going to OpenAI's ChatGPT separately, you can directly use AI inside your WordPress dashboard itself. Now enable the Analytics option from here. With the help of this feature, we'll connect both Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Go to Settings and click on Connect Google Services. Here, you need to use the same email ID that is connected with your Search Console and Google Analytics account. As soon as you follow the steps, both services will be connected successfully. After that, you'll see the Search Console option. From here, select your website, because some accounts may have multiple websites connected. Next, in the same way, set up Google Analytics as well. Now let's understand the benefit of setting this up. Once connected, you'll be able to view all your Search Console and Analytics data directly inside the Rank Math dashboard. You'll get proper insights such as which keywords are ranking, which are not performing well, which pages are getting traffic, and much more, all from one place. If you still haven't set up the Rank Math plugin, make sure to do it now. Gradually, many new AI-powered features are being added, which will be extremely helpful. So, start using it from today itself. Thank you.